Great job.
You did it! You made the drawbridge go all the way down. You really did a first-class job back there.
Thanks, Stormmouse. Happy to help. We've got to go rescue Abby from the treehouse. Come on, Umi Fire Truck. Let's get over that bridge.
Team Umizoomi firefighters to the rescue!
Good luck, Team Umizoomi!
Look! There's Vanessa! And there's the treehouse. Team Umizoomi, you made it! My sister Abby's still stuck up there in the treehouse.
Whoa! That tree is really tall.
To get to the top, we need to use one of our rescue gadgets. What rescue gadget can you use to get up to high places? The ladder! Yeah!
Ladder Extendo!
Team Umizoomi, you're here! Abby, are you okay? Uh-huh, but I'm too scared to climb down. Don't worry. We can help you, Abby. Yeah, we'll climb down the ladder with you, so it won't be so scary. Okay.
Let's count and see how far Abby has to climb down. Count the steps on the ladder with me. Start at the top. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 9 steps.
I've never climbed down 9 ladder steps before. That's okay, Abby. You don't have to climb down all 9 at once. Yeah, just do a few steps at a time.
We'll go with you.
Okay, I'll try. All right!
Go for it, Abby.
1, 2... I'm doing it! I climbed down 2 steps. Way to go, Abby! You're doing great.
Let's use my robot computer to see how many steps Abby has left. The ladder has 9 steps, and Abby climbed down 2 steps. How many steps does she have left? Seven. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 9 take away 2 is 7. Sensational subtracting.
Only 7 more steps to go, Abby. You can do it. Just keep going a little at a time. All right, here I go. 1, 2, 3.
Great job, Abby. You climbed down 3 more steps. There were 7 steps left, and then she climbed down 3. How many steps does she have left? 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. You got it. 7 take away 3 is 4.
You're almost there, Abby. You're doing great.
Only 4 steps left, Abby.
I'm feeling really brave now. 1, 2, 3, 4. I made it! Woohoo! All right! Hooray, Abby! Abby, you climbed down all 9 steps. I'm so proud of you. Uh-huh. I'm not afraid to climb down from the treehouse anymore. Thanks for coming to the rescue, Team Umizoomi. You're welcome, Vanessa. You helped me be brave enough to climb down all 9 steps. You were really brave too, Umi friend. Just like a firefighter.
Umi Fire Truck.
Thanks for all your help today.
You were awesome.
Together we saved our friend Abby.